Luminous NXI Solar Grid Tie Inverters. In this video, we will talk about the benefits of Luminous NXI Grid Tie Inverter, its applications, selection procedure, installation and usage. Benefits. Have you ever thought of earning money by generating your own electricity? It's not science fiction anymore. Presenting to you state-of-the-art solar grid tie inverter by Luminous, which lets you generate your own electricity through solar panels for running electrical loads and at the same time sell excess electricity to the power distribution company. Luminous NXI Grid Tie Inverter range is next-gen technology product. It comes with dual and quad MPPT charge controller, allowing you to install multiple solar panel strings in parallel for maximum space utilization. These MPPT charge controllers are highly efficient, delivering 99.9% efficiency, thereby maximizing the solar energy generation through solar panels. Luminous Solar Grid Tie Inverter is an IP65 product which makes it completely dust and waterproof, allowing you to install it outdoors. It comes with GSM connectivity, allowing you to access system performance anywhere in the world through the mobile app. Compliance to the IEC standards makes this product completely safe, reliable and approved for government subsidies. Application. Luminous Grid Tie system is a perfect solar solution for your home, office and other workplaces. Selection procedure. Luminous Grid Tie Inverters comes in single phase and three phase, starting from 1 kilowatt to 50 kilowatts. Installation and usage. How to install the grid tie system. In this video, we are showing installation of 1 kilowatt single phase inverter. However, installation instructions remain similar for other inverters. Step 1. Select the right location for the inverter installation. Inverter should be installed in a well-ventilated area where the ambient temperature is in the range of -25 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade. Inverter should be mounted in a vertical position, having a minimum of 500 mm clearance distance from the ground, ceiling and the side walls. If more than one inverter are to be installed together, a minimum of 500 mm clearance distance should be kept between the two inverters. Step 2. Mounting the inverter. To mount the inverter on the wall, first secure the mounting bracket on the wall using the 4 screws as shown here. Make sure the bracket is mounted horizontally and is leveled. Carefully hang the inverter on the wall mount bracket and ensure it is hooked into the bracket nicely. Step 3. Solar panel connection to inverter. This inverter is designed for electrical connection without removing the cover, and hence various ports for electrical connections are provided at the bottom of the inverter. Assuming that you have already made solar PV string series of panels, please follow following steps for electrical connections of the inverter. Before connecting inverter, please make sure the PV string open circuit voltage is within the limit of the inverter, that is, maximum 600 volts open circuit for single phase inverters, maximum 1000 volts open circuit for 3-phase inverters. To start the installation, first turn off the DC MCB in DC distribution box and connect the string wires coming from all the solar panels to DC distribution box. Take the output from the DC MCB to the positive and negative terminals of the DC1 on the inverter. Before connection, make sure the polarity of the output voltage of PV array matches the DC positive and DC negative symbols. Step 4. Connecting inverter to grid. Do the mains connection, for which first switch off the grid's mains AC supply. Now switch off the AC MCB in the AC distribution box and connect the grid output wire from the inverter to the AC distribution box. Connect the output from AC distribution box to AC MCB. Step 5. Connecting with GSM. Once all the electrical connections are done, connect the GSM dongle to the inverter by inserting it properly in the communication COM port of the inverter. Now, installation is complete. How to start and use the system. To start the inverter, it is important that the following steps are strictly followed. 1. Switch the mains AC supply on and then switch the MCB on in the AC distribution box. Now, switch the DC MCB on. Third, when both the DC and the AC grid sides supply to the inverter, it will be ready to generate power. At the same time, the green LED will flash and the LCD displays the information of initializing. The green LED will be on continually and the LCD displays generating. During normal operation, the display alternately shows the power and the operation status with each screen lasting for 10 seconds. To stop the inverter, the following steps must be strictly followed. Switch off the main supply. Wait 30 seconds. Switch off the DC MCB. All the LEDs of the inverter will be off in a minute. Luminous Solar Grid Tie system is absolutely safe and reliable for your home and business applications. Luminous Grid Tie Inverters, the power to save costs.